welcome to DocArt. Hello, I'm DocArt, and now I will draw Patrick Star from Spongebob SquarePants. Storytelling, enjoy the draw.
I didn't know you spoke bird.
Oh, that's Italian, Spongebob. Sesame!
Gee, Patrick, I didn't know you spoke bird.
Oh, that's Italian, Spongebob. I love you. Is mayonnaise an instrument?
No, Patrick, mayonnaise is not an instrument. Horseradish is not an instrument either.
Hey, Patrick, are you angry too?
Yeah.
What's the matter?
Can't see my forehead. Is mayonnaise an instrument?
No, Patrick, mayonnaise is not an instrument. Horseradish is not an instrument either.
Hey, SpongeBob! Wanna go jellyfishing?
Sorry, Patrick, I can't. I have school today.
What am I supposed to do all day while you're at school?
I don't know. What do you normally do when I'm gone?
Wait for you to get back. I love you.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.